Hey everyone, this is Kelton with Under Pressure Power Washing Services again. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how we actually like to clean driveways. So usually what we'll do is we'll first start, if there's a driveway like this where it's got a lot of leaves on it, we'll go through and make sure we get all of the debris blown off. We want to make sure that we're working with a clean surface. We also don't want to have a lot of sticks and rocks and stuff on the surface when we're cleaning because our machine does have a spray bar and we don't want that hitting any of these rocks and basically just making small projectiles. After we've gone through and cleaned the surface, then we go back and we actually start treating. So we like to do a good pre-treat. This helps to kill any of the algae and any of the organic material that's on the surface, which causes it to let loose easier. That way when we go back and pressure wash it, it becomes a lot cleaner. This is our circle technique. It might be a little bit different than what you're used to seeing, but we prefer to use the circle technique because what we're doing is we're getting a constant 50% overlap. I'm sure you have all seen the driveways that have the nice tiger stripes on them, and that's because somebody came through and just treated it, went over it really fast with a surface cleaner and did very little overlap. Well, using the circle technique, we get a good 50% overlap, making sure that we're covering that surface several times so you get a nice clean surface without any stripes. And there it is. There's the finished product. So everything's nice and clean now. There's no striping. We don't have to worry about going back and leaving a post treat. Some companies will leave a post treatment. That way it helps to blend those lines, but eventually they will come back. So again, good strong pre-treat, use the circle technique, and then we end up getting incredible results like these. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like a quote, you can visit us online at underpressurega.com.